putty. Why every man wanna bounce this putty? I make you stay a long time, no quickie. So come see me, come see me.
But then we'll call her like personal relationships now. But they want to see you again every. So I think my relationships with the right people in the industry and I've made some sacrifices along the way. But your shows then not for money but for the relationship. Yes. Yes. And then also of course music mulungi performances every time.
What I would like to know, you've been to Blue 3.
Yes, I have.
Yeah. So Nova Blue 3. So from Blue 3, did you get any national government company record label ntwala oba zajja nezigana oba what happened?
Natya nnyo time eyo. First of all Blue 3 okuvamu bango babugobe kitegera. So sali na mbu plan, sali na budget, sali na plan, nothing changwako bugwi. Nali ku holiday ngaze manya ngenda kuddayo mu gigi yafe ya bulijjo. You know Blue 3 tukoleki. Exactly. Neseze nali nina nganziriddemu amasape, you know. I was having a good time because nali manyi ngenda kuddayo nkolechi nkole sente. So we were dropping I went to sign a plan yona so nasoko okutyamu nasirikamu emyezi ng'ebiri. So after that nezjukira ntumanyi ki music mwagala as a person kanzire eyo gye ntandikira gye nalotera bwawe nalota salota nga nyimbide n'abawala babiri okitegeera. So nentandikira mpola mpola muganda wange nanyamba. At that time tewaliwo any record label which was interested in me at that time because at that time waliwo so much bad press about me nga banjogerako ebitimanyi kuyimba ni muyaye bitu ebityo kalikuga teri muntu yali ayagala kola n'omuyimbi bwatyo. So muganda we nankwatako n'omukyala gwenzijukire nnyo who I thank God for bamwita Mariam Narubega yanyamba nnyo that time. That is how I started.
Fabenga bibwe tutyo tuyambira ddala.
Okay, Cindy. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Kulaba live now on the live.
Are you disappointed?
No. I'm just excited. Netugenda kola bwetu tikatono nnyo Cindy. Nze ngenda kuba koli mwategefu okuyimba nange.
Kiriya.
Okay. Selector.
Kona abantu bazine. Kube muzika jakawe fetu zine. Selector. Kona abantu bazine. This one's for you and me. Yeah.
Katipuro. Neta kalala nga weri weekend. Tonte kakamba teka
go. I'm your wife, I'm not your mistress. Ledo nange ntambude mungenda out to never nange.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Kata onkufunye. Wakola korabone Mr. Gine Bobby Wine.
Yes.
Ozokola kolabo. Yeah, my God. Kali kaiti livunyo. Ozokola kolabo n'abayimbi banji. Kolabo chesenzo kukolera as Cindy.
Eyo. Yes, that was my best collaboration. Nadala wane waka in Uganda. Collabo ya singira dalo kunkolira. And then also collabo ngene P Square. Tetwa shooting but ulimbo lwantambuza Kenya ne Tanzania the first time.
Okay.
Wow.
That was the collaboration that actually took me there.
Oh, you know,
East Africa taina ya award.
Yeah.
Do you have an East African award?
Yeah, I have a Kenyan award for best artist from Uganda.
Okay.
Yeah, 2016. Wow. That award I'm so proud of it because yaliko na abasajja, you know, fenatwali wamu in one category. So so I feel good when I'm placed with all the artists and Gage does the best. It's a good feeling.
Katale kebulaya. Okayaya nira nyonga Cindy over like you say I'm comfortable when kuba wano chiboke.
Well, chenategera as I advance more in music nategera until for you to go international. You have to first go national. Yeah. They don't care.
So
you know chikuba wano katabe waka weba kubira kelero ngaba nayi waka wali ono omuntu bwati. So when they hear that noise, that is how I've got the international gigs that I've done.
Okay.
So you can also ask skipping Uganda noga katinza I'm concentrating on my international shows. No.
Okay.
Twali bati twina abantu nga Eddie Kenzo nga wangula beat. We wouldn't have because his music is purely Uganda.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so basically it's about establishing awano to the point that nabali bakutegeera.
Okay, fine. Yes. Cindy ibanga lyonna lyomaze ng'okola music. Olinayo omuyimbi ono gw'ogamba nti bannange singa mukama nyamba n'enkola collab n'omuyimbi ono atali wano Uganda oba olyawo omuyimbi yenna gw'ogamba nti mazima ga Katonda ono waakiri ebbanga lyonna sagala mveo nga sikoze naye kolabo.
First of all muntu ogo yansala Brenda Fassi.
Oh yeah.
Yansala okitegera. The other person gwenda yakola ne Angelique Kijo.
Okay.
Patra. Queen of the Park.
Patra ya Jawa no Cindy.
Yali surrounded with so many people. Bamu booking nga sirina time you know okitegera like every day she's shooting a video every day like yayina ebintu byakola buli naku so I did yadde nayogera naye tetwafuna budde tebwaliwo.
Bwengobera musical ali nyonyo dance dancehall.
Yes.
Lwaki ate yo lady.
Yeah, music gwenjagala.
Okay.
Since I was a child, that's the music when I would I'm like, oh my god, this music. Because Nakurian barracks singa mostly bazanya lingala, sukus music from Congo.
Yeah.
And then also that old dancehall music that they used to play, Chakademus and Pliers, Princess Patra. That's the music when I put it up. So I loved that music. Kati na R&B yansanga ndi mukulu.
Sento ina nyingi. Lwaki nkugambye nti olina sente nyingi. Olabika toyina like ngabo toyina record label what and what. Video kola nyingi, enyimbo kola za bei. I don't know. Sento zijja luda wezikola ebintu ebyo.
Nzikola from my music.
Okay.
From my music, and then also nina I plan for my money. Okitegera sina management ekyo kituufu.
Yeah.
Nina just abantu benkubyenga mankulira kino. Njagala genda kusimba gundi kubira gundi kola.
Tulabengeri gye tukikwasaganya.
Exactly, yes, but I don't have nkozeko ne management naye nze nga nzite nkoledde as an artist. So because boba kutundanga we banatunda omunyo njagala kuntundanga omuntu wanjagala otegere nti nkoye sagala kuntumatuma, you know, because that's what happens with labels. You're like a sack of salt. So tobagamba nti okoye tonyumya agenda wano genderi so it doesn't okitegere nokuba oli muntu mumikiriza nnyo, you don't breathe.
Lwaki weyita king ng'ate oli mukazi?
The king herself representing pretty girls in the house. Yeah.
Kubanga labayo
ulizawo njagala bakkirize
because artists bamwe bonna ba trending kati bansangawo okitegera ate bonna beyita ba queen
abamwe abakosi
bansangawo okitegera nakikuba way before
ekyo kyebayita okwebelivingira mu kitegera
so I can't sisobola kuba queen nga bo okitegera kati nze mba king
okitegera
Simba, it's to die.